Hello, this is Owli. I'm just gonna start off by saying something I think is funny. My dog is sitting right behind where the phone is recording. The one that it is because I've talked about both of them. This one's Andy, and we tried to get her to move, and she doesn't want to move. So I'm gonna show her little doggy face. Look at that. Isn't she cute? I think Zoe's gonna feel left out now, but Zoe's not in a position where I could show Zoe. You know what? Let's try. Zoe? Zoe, right here. Zoe! Zoe! So there are the dogs. Let me think. Well, you might see what I'm wearing tonight, a Carolina Hurricane sweatshirt. That's because the Carolina Hurricanes play tonight. Yay! We lost to the Calgary Flames, but we beat the Edmonton Oilers. Tonight we play Pittsburgh. So, we see if the Hurricanes and the Penguins, what that looks like. I really don't have too much going on or too much I want to say in this video. I just wanted to do a little update and see how everyone's doing and show the dogs because they're being cute and talk about hockey. I think it's funny because hockey is like hawk-y and owly is like owly. Hockey, Owli. I know, not that profound. Not the profound discovery I thought I made. Nope. That's okay. I've been enjoying the warmer weather. It's been nice. It's been kind of rainy though. I don't know where it is. If it's raining for everyone else, but where we're at is very rainy. So that hasn't been good. Especially for the dogs. But, you know, here's what it is. I've just been doing lots of homework, lots of step work. Lots of stuff like that. Owli's been practicing hockey with the stuffed animal hockey team. Been practicing basketball on Owli's own. Oh, and RJ's learning to draw. That's important because RJ draws Owli. So Owli's turning into like an action figure. It's really cool. One of these videos I'll have RJ show you. Or maybe I'll just steal the iPad and show you myself. But we'll save that for another video. It is pretty cool though. There's one picture where I'm like walking like this, but my head's turned all the way to the side like this, which normal owls can do. This owl cannot, because I'll break the seams. And it looks like I'm walking. is pretty cool. Other than that, oh, I changed my earrings. They're silver owls. RJ gotten them for RJ self, but they were too big of hoops. But perfect for Owli's ears. These dogs are staring at me. I show you one more time. Well, that's all from me. It was great talking to you. I look forward to talking to you in the next video. Love you. Ta-ta for now.